So this is my 2003 Mazda Bravo, 2.5 litre turbo diesel. Picked it up for $1,200. Doesn't have any rego and the gearbox is dead, so it needs a new gearbox. Yeah, I've already cleaned it and stripped the tray and the bull bar off. And yeah, just decided to take some videos of the whole build. The plan is to resell it, make a profit on it. But yeah, just put some videos together, make a YouTube video, and yeah, see what happens. So, got to start somewhere, and yeah, here we go.
Lately I've been feeling like a renegade. Somebody save me. Standing in the midst of the crowd, but nobody sees me. Shouting at the top of my lungs, but nobody hears me. All in the name of love. Look what you made me. I've been praying for the rain to fall. Wash me down so I reborn. Open heavens, let it pour. You can love me again, again, again. You better love me again. You better love me again. You better love me again. See through the smoke, not what I imagined. I've been down this road before, and nothing is changing. Please help me up, don't shoot me down. My third second chance, but this is true romance. Help me up, don't shoot me down. My third second chance, but this is true romance. I've been praying for the rain to fall. Wash me down so I reborn. Open heavens, let it pour. You better love me again. You better love me again. You better love me again. You better love me again.
Righto, so making pretty killer progress on the Bravo. The next thing I got to do is paint the chassis. I've already got under and scrubbed it clean, so it's all prepped and ready to go. I've got to swap the tyres over, so they're sitting on a 32, and I got to drop them down to a 30, just so I can pass the pit to keep it legal, and also paint the rims. The next thing I've got to do is replace the CV on the driver's side and fit the shocks. They're all prepped and ready to go. I got to restore the front headlights because they're all going cloudy, so just a restoration kit. Got to clean them up and fit the flares. So I've already fitted them, but I just gotta roll in all the videos. So yeah, I'm in.
Doesn't take much to feel the rush with nothing but your eyes on it. How about we do just like we do? Two crazy fools just breaking free. No, it don't matter what we've been told. I can see the skies are gold. Yeah, it's just you and me, an open road. Let's go. I don't see no red lights, just a wild ride. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. I'm gonna be alright. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. no red lights, just a wild ride. You're my getaway, you're my getaway. Tonight I'm gonna be alright. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. You're my getaway, you're my getaway. It's getting dark, let's light a spark, ignite our hearts and burn away. This is our time, it's do or die. Come on, let's rise for heaven's sake. Oh, it don't matter what we've been told. I can see the skies are gold. Yes, it's just you and me, an open road. Let's go. I don't see no red lights, just a wild ride. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. I'm gonna be alright. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. I don't see no red lights, just a wild ride. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. I'm gonna be alright. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. You're my getaway, you're my getaway tonight. You're my getaway
Righto, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Hope you enjoyed. It's something very different, but we got to start somewhere. We've made pretty good progress on the Bravo, so yeah, just like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.